video for a long time. But if you're new to my channel, then hello. My name is Deaja Tucker. I make a lot of videos on college stuff, makeup stuff, lifestyle stuff. If you want to join or become a subscriber, then make sure you hit subscribe if you like what you see here. I'm having a good time over here. I'm sure a lot of people are having a good time over here. And if you've been with me since I moved into my apartment, you know that I've been putting together my apartment. I said last video that I was going to have my curtains up by the next time you guys saw me, and I do have my curtains up. I have my headboard here. I have a lot of things here that I've been waiting for to make the room tour, so I'm only waiting on wall decorations, and I don't know if I want to wait to do the room tour with wall decorations or not. I mean, I have 2 more wall decorations that I want to get, and then the room will be like completely done. But I'm like, is it really that serious? I don't really think it's that serious. So I think the next video you guys see after this is going to be my room tour, and I'm really excited for you guys to see that. Alright, so my first fall favorite are these Better Home and Garden like scented wax cubes. They're like scented wax cubes, and this one smells like caramel apple spice. This one smells like orange buttercream. This one smells really good. And then this one, if you've been with me since, it's so cool that I can make these like throwback. If you've been with me since this, then you'll see this. But if you've been with me since I did my college apartment haul when I was still in my parents' house, I had this, and I said it's Magic Spell. You can't really see it, but it smells like Love Spell from Victoria's Secret, and I've been loving this, obviously. These ones are brand new. This was a restock, and then this one is brand new. I'm testing out. But I have 3 cooking candle wax warmers. You guys will see all of that when I do like the room tour and everything else like that. But I got these from Walmart, by the way. But I've always been a fan of wax cubes, but around the fall time, that's when I really get into wax cubes because they have the best scents. And I also put my boyfriend on wax cubes. So my next favorite, fall favorite, is it even really fall? I'm just doing a video of my favorites right now, and it's just fall, so I guess it's a fall favorite, I guess. I don't know. I've been loving the Bath and Body Works hand soap. I really love when it's like gel. I don't really like the foamy one. I feel like this one like gets more like, I don't know, in there when you clean your hands. I don't know. But this one is Crispy Morning Air, and it smells like cologne, and it just, I don't know. I have an incense going of this, like a wallflower. If you like shop at Bath and Body Works, I have a wallflower going on outside my room. So outside my room it smells good. And then we have the Aroma Therapy Stress Relief. If you were with me during the summer or my back to school haul, no, my back to school apartment haul, I showed you that I got like 8 of these on a like huge sale. Still only have cracked into 2. I've lost 1. If you follow me on Snapchat, then you saw that I posted like RIP to a good one or something like that. And then this is the next one I'm going to use after I finish Focus. This one's just Stress Relief. The first one was Happiness, and I really like them. I don't know, they have like oils in them, and I have really dry skin, especially in this fall season about to come up. I have really dry skin, so the oils really help me. My next fall favorite in the makeup section is the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. If you follow me on Snapchat, then I posted that I got all 4 of the palettes when they were having the palettes on sale, and the ones that stuck out to me the most were Armed and Gorgeous and Ring the Alarm. I wore Armed and Gorgeous one night when I went out to the club. I'm wearing Ring the Alarm right now. Love these, love the mattes, the shimmers. I love how pigmented they are. I know there's been like a lot of backlash on YouTube about these, so I'm just gonna toss these off before I get too deep into that. I got this orange blanket from Marshall's, and I use it. I wanted like a blanket to go for Halloween time, the fall time. I use this at the edge of my bed, but if I ever have guests over that forgot a blanket or something, or I need to provide a blanket, then this is what you'll be sleeping on, along with the other blanket in my closet. So yes, love this. Also, a lot of people have been asking me what eyelashes I wear, so that's going to be a favorite in here. My favorite eyelashes are the Ardell Wispies Professionals, the original feathered lash with individual lashes. I like them because they give you 4, actually 5 pair in here, and I feel like it's great for a simple glam. I feel like you can actually dress it up and dress it down, but even when you dress it down, it's still like you're still wearing lashes, and when people look at you, they can't help but see that you're wearing lashes. I get them from either Walmart or Ulta, and they're sold for the same price, so it doesn't matter which one you go to. Okay, so this rack of clothes symbolizes like what season it is, what clothes I've been loving for the season, and then stuff like that. So right now it has fall clothes on there, it has sweaters, it has the stuff that I've been loving that I'm going to show you guys soon, but I wanted to know, or I just wanted to tell you guys what it's used for before I do my room tour. But on to the favorites. So this just came off the rack, and I've been loving 2 pieces lately. I know if you follow me on Instagram, which is Deaja, wow, a lot of self-promo in this video today. And then I didn't post the picture because Instagram wouldn't let me crop it or post a full picture without cutting off my shoes. And I wore this 2-piece from Boohoo. These are all from Boohoo, by the way. And I wore this 2-piece from Boohoo with my Gucci slides, and then I need to still wear this outfit, but it's the same thing but black. So yeah, that's my clothing favorites. Next, a great favorite for mine is always the lip gloss. I always keep lip gloss on me. That is like, if you know me, that is something that has to be on me. If you forgot your lip gloss and you turn around, go home, get your lip gloss, because I really enjoy my lip gloss and everything like that. So this one is the Mentha Shimmer Tint, 100% natural tint, Pearl Mint. It's from Bath and Body Works, and they don't really get that much shipment of these anymore in store, I believe, but they're mostly online. But it's nice and thick, and this one is actually pink and has glitter sparkles, so whenever I wear it, like, I guess I can put this one on right now. I need to re-up anyway. For hair favorites today, I have the Lustra Silk Curl Max Curl Activator Moisturizer enriched with argan oil. Okay, I use this bad boy right here to help give my hair some oil, some slip when I'm putting on my stuff for my curls. I know a lot of my products can be like gels and stuff, and it helps like keep the curl in its curl form while it's been days after a wash. But this helps to make sure that everything is moisturized and like my curls really coming out to its fullest pattern. And I like it because it provides like moisture and like slip and like a little bit of still, I don't know how to really explain this, but it gives it that kind of feel in my curls, and I like it, and it's not hard and crunchy, so really like that. And then I have my Aussie Mega Moist Conditioner. This quenches thirst, locks in a flash, and yeah, I feel like a lot of people use this for their curly hair, but it helps me detangle my hair. I put my hair into 4 sections, and then I detangle it with this in water, and I get a wide tooth comb or a finger detangler, and I untake the braids that I have to put them in braids, and then I go through that, and I think that's it for my hair stuff. Alright guys, so that is it for all of my favorites. Sorry for the lighting, you can kind of see a lot of shadows. What happens is, like, I'm in my apartment, but the sun is facing that way. The sun isn't facing on me, so I'm not getting direct sunlight, so the sunlight actually could be way better than this. I don't know what I'm talking about, just a little side note. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out my social media. My Instagram is Deaja, my Snapchat is Deaja Tucker, and my Twitter is Deaja Tucker. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.